Side hustle challenge with my girlfriend at TJ Maxx. If she finds more profit than me in 5 minutes, she gets my credit card. All right, I'm setting the timer. On your marks, get set, go.
No, what did you not enter? All right, I'm looking for brand name products. I've seen this brand before. We can see that it's trying to search on SellerAmp. It's not coming up with anything. And so we're gonna move on. Ugh, this one doesn't even have a barcode. All right, this item won't work. Getting closer. I might actually try somewhere else. I'm looking for profitable items, baby. Right now, I'm trying to see if I can head towards toys. I haven't been in a TJ Maxx in quite a while, so I don't know exactly where that's gonna be. This is what I'll get with your credit card. Nope. Getting closer. Unfortunately, this one's not doing too hot. Only 3% ROI. We're looking for 30.
Oh no.
Does TJ Maxx have toys? I'm starting to think that they don't. Okay. $5.99. Nope. Toys are really great during Q4, and we're coming up on the season when people are shopping for holiday gifts, and you know that they want these things. I want one. I'm just gonna grab something over here. I want these cat toys. Ooh, this one might be good. Ah, not quite, but ROI is getting higher. Not quite. Those kids love mini brands. Nope. Bluey. Fun fact, Warner and I have watched all of Bluey.
What's your favorite episode?
I personally like the one with the little caterpillar song. But unfortunately for us today, that Bluey set isn't profitable. All right, this one's on sale, so I'm feeling confident about it. Oh yeah, there we go. That is 43% profit. I'm gonna be spending $9 on this profit, and since it's already selling for $23, probably higher during Q4, we can expect to make a few bucks on this. All right, and your timer starts now.
I do this every day, I can't lose, let's go. Buy it for 12, sell it for 27, almost, making $2 there, let's see. Check this out, I know hacks she doesn't. So you can take a picture with the SellerAmp app of the item, and if it exists on Amazon, it will find it via image, because I'm not seeing a barcode on it. So it actually does sell for 37. They've got them for 15. Unknown sales though, so let's see if there's sellers falling off. And yeah, so you check this out. See how there's sellers coming on and off the listing? That shows me that this does actually sell. I wish the data showed me exactly how fast it sells, but it definitely is selling. And there's 3 of these on the shelf, so that's about $30 in profit. We got a couple minutes left to see if we can find more.
No!
Get absolutely owned. This sells for 15, 24 on Amazon, $6 on Amazon. Nobody wants Batman? Okay. 45 on Amazon, 30 here. Not quite profitable. I like more specialty stuff like this, kind of classic type of thing. It does sell 300 times a month, but it's not expensive enough for us to make profit. Another one that's close, $6 here, 15 on Amazon. Maybe profitable by Christmas, but I don't like to take gambles like that.
5, 4, 3,
No.
2, 1.
Buzzer beater? Oh, I beat you.
Sorry, your time's out.
I took you down though. 30 to 4, right?
And the winner is...
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So we found $34 profit in 10 minutes. The point is that anyone can do this.
And all you need is the SellerAmp app to have a great date night.
Let us know if you want to see who wins round 2.